if it is foss, it's a waterfall. You can see the color of the water here. It's muddy. Has a little bit of this.
Hello, welcome back again to another video, and this time I'm going to take you to Gulfoss waterfall in Iceland, which we have visited earlier, and it is also called the Golden Waterfall. It falls within the Golden Circle in Iceland, where this is the most popular tourist destination. You will see this waterfall is from the glacier, and that is why the color of the glacier water is dirty gray, and this is during the summer months. Even during the winter months, the waterfall continues, and it's a very scenic and amazing view. And you will see here also, because of the spillage of water from such a height, you will see the rainbow halos around, and it is a very wonderful tourist destination. As you can see over here, as you're walking up to the viewpoint, is such a long queue for the people to go to the viewpoint and to see the waterfall very close distance. As we approach the viewpoint, you will feel the spillage of the water coming towards you, and it's a very good feeling. I think this video will help you to experience this waterfall, and I hope one day when you visit there, you can equally enjoy the place. Please comment and subscribe to the channel. I shall be grateful, and I hope to bring more wonderful videos from all over the world. And thank you very much, and keep watching.
Mountain glacier